Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Kim Possible on Dress to Impress. Super simple and no VIP needed. So for the hair, let's get started with the hair actually. I used the Tinkerbell, that's what I call this hair, Tinkerbell hair in orange. And then I also use this long hair in orange as well. You can kind of adjust the adjustments. Actually, it looks fine now. Wait, I'm gonna adjust it a little bit more by putting it to the back, like that. Oh, it looks very weird from the side, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna just adjust it a little bit more and place it higher. And then I'm just going to, yeah, there we go. So it doesn't look weird from the side. And then for the top, I'm going to use this in black. And then this top in black as well. We're going to do crop and we're going to add that turtleneck. For the gloves, we're just going to use this one. Make it short. Don't remove the fur option and just color it this gray. For the pants, we are going to use this one. And then enable pockets, we're going to use green. I'm just going to make it fade a little bit more so it looks more like the actual color. I tried to make it exactly the same. For the shoes, we're just going to use these shoes. And then for the belt, I'm just going to use this belt in brown and the rest in black. This is optional, but you can carry a phone. I know her phone isn't like this. I'm just going to do the text one for the iconic color. Sorry, the iconic phone thing, gadget. I don't know what it's called. I think it was blue, if I'm not mistaken. If the Mandela effect hasn't happened, then it's blue. But if it's not blue, then I'm sorry. I forgot what color it was, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.